How to reset Remitly password. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can reset Remitly password, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically, where you can see send money, transfer history, refer friends. Once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right corner, where you can see the welcome option. Click on it. In the box displayed, select settings. After selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. Okay, so on the settings page, by the left side of the screen, you can see some options, which includes profile information, notifications, recipients, payment methods, your privacy choices, legal resources. So under profile information, you can see the option add your name, address, phone number. Scroll down and then you can see password. All right, so once you can see this, for you to be able to reset this password, move to the right side of the screen, click on edit, and then the next step is for you to enter the correct password, then the new password, and confirm the password, then click on change, and then just like that, the password would be reset. Okay, very, very simple, and sure you try this out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.